In Vietnam, innovation drives every step of automotive component production. Using robotic sensor components, a bond coating machine ensures precision from the very beginning. By integrating Melfa robots, the factory reduces labor costs and increases output. Automation ensures round-the-clock operation without fatigue. It's a key step toward building a true smart factory. Process 2. Automation with 2 Melfa robots. Melfa Robot 1 transports the product to the performance inspection position. Then Melfa Robot 2 moves it forward to the image inspection stage. Each movement is flawlessly controlled by PLC systems and connected with HMI screens, giving engineers complete oversight. Before automation, workers had to move and check components by hand, a process requiring intense focus. Today, with simple programming software, Melfa robots replicate these tasks with consistency and zero fatigue, stable quality, lower labor costs, and continuous production that improves performance and ROI.